Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated base routine. I want to do an updated one because I feel like my base routine has changed quite a lot since the last video. If you haven't seen that one, then I'll just link it somewhere around these places for you guys to see it. So the first thing that I do to my face is make sure that I have my skincare completed. I've been very how do I put it, shit with my skincare recently, so my skin isn't at its tip-top condition, but I have actually done my skincare for today for this video. No matter if I've done skincare or not, I always put on a primer now, which I didn't used to do. This is the London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I got this sent this by OO. I had a little, they sent me this big one and a small one. I was thinking, if I don't like it, I might, you know, sell it. And I ended up really liking the tester, so I was like, right, I'm opening a big one, and I am in love with it. It's one of my favourite primers that I've ever tried, to be honest, and I usually just put it on the back of my hand. My back of my hand's a bit dirty at the moment. I put about 2 squirts on it, and then I just put it all over my face with this brush. And as you can see, I'm kind of just tapping the product into my skin rather than brushing it on. So now that my primer is done, I can now finally go in with my foundation, which is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And yes, I do use this concealer as a foundation because me and my friend went to Cleethorpes a few months ago and I brought on my makeup and I forgot my foundation, and I was pissed because we were going to like have a few drinks and that, so I wanted to look pretty. So I used this, and honestly, it's like one of the best ever things I've used for foundation ever, and it's like one of the most perfect colour matches I've ever seen for my skin. It is amazing. I took a video of it on my Instagram the other day and I was looking flawless beast. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I'm actually using this in the shade Medium Sand for anybody who is interested in my skin colour choice, because some people might be on this video looking for a foundation that's their colour, unable to find it because Amber didn't say what shade she was using. Then I'm going to be using this Lab 2, it's like a, you meant to put, what's it called on, like shimmer, body shimmer and stuff, but recently I saw a video from a dude on Instagram called Christopher Graves. He's also on YouTube. I love him so much, probably one of my new favourite creators. He uses one of these to buff his foundation in, and I tried it a few times and I was like, okay, he did that. So what he does is he kind of just like taps and glides it a tiny little bit, and as you can see, it just absolutely covers everything. I actually forgot something. I was thinking to myself, make sure you bring everything that you need over here, and I forgot something already, so this is gonna be a long video. When I do my makeup just for day-to-day looks, I also like to put the foundation over the top of my eyelids, just so that the, what's it called, the eyeshadow I may put on that day sticks to it without having to put an extra layer on. So now that I have beautiful coverage and my face is basically like a one-dimensional canvas to draw my masterpiece on. This is the Ciate Everyday Vacay Setting Powder. I love this, and I also really like that it smells like coconuts. It's just so great. So yeah, I literally just do that under the eye just to make sure that everything's okay, and then I dab it into the skin. I don't like wipe it off or wipe it around, just literally dabbing it right into the skin, and it just melts right in there whilst setting your under eyes, because I crease really bad on my under eyes. You hear that dog? I heard you bark for the last I don't know how many weeks, and then as soon as I do a YouTube video, you're like rah, 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 rah. And then the other side. And there we go. I'm using the So You by Susanna Jackson. It's like a contour stick. I love this contour. It's like the creamiest, most beautiful texture. Yeah, I just put it underneath and hook up like that. You see how creamy that is? It's just amazingly creamy. And I almost sold this as well, but I decided to give it another go. And I actually really like it. And I also like to put a bit of contour on my nose now. I'm pretty sure I didn't do that last time. Then I just get my Bella Pierre foundation brush and I literally just dab this in to my skin like so. And as you can see, the cream just melts into the skin like a boss. That's the cream contour done, and I say cream contour because we are about to contour once more. Sometimes I like to use cream blush, but today I'm going to be using my favourite like blushing shade I've ever found, which is this one in the Bella Pierre blushing palette. And I also use this one for contour because brown, I've never seen anybody use brown as a blush, but okay. And literally just reinforcing that contour that we made earlier, because unfortunately So You is a bit on the light side, so it needs that little bit of reinforcement. I can't believe how much better I've got at doing my base. Like, I don't know if y'all have seen the video of me doing my base a few years ago. I don't know how many years ago, but I'm pretty sure it was like one. But still a few years ago to me. In my mind, skin is like, because I've been taking care of it more, like more recently I've kind of slacker-lacked with the skincare, but overall my skin health is way better than it was before. Now I'm going to go into this same palette here and I'm going to dip into this colour here. And then I just take it on the highest point of this blush brush thing. I don't know what kind of brush this is, honestly. And then I just put it up here. I used to prefer to put my blush in like this area, and I still do like to put it that way, but I think up here it gives me that adult look that sometimes I'm looking for. I just lightly put it around till I've got my desired like shape, and then I darken it to my heart's content. I like to be quite blushed up. So as you can tell, I like quite a lot of blush. I'm a blushing bride, what can I say? And when I do blush on these sides, like on the high point of my cheeks, I also like to put a little bit of blush here. A tiny bit, like a little bit, not too crazy. Nothing too crazy. It's just so it looks like a bit more like it's the sun has touched the high points, rather than the sun touching the cheeks and the bottom of the nose. So next I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm just going to dip into this. This is an Ofra black pan. I'm not sure the name of it, but it's the blackest one they had. I just bought it because it was black. So I like to lightly just trace the top of my eyebrow. And as you can see, we've got like a nice line going on. So there we go, the eyebrows are done. Easy peasy, as long as I don't have to do that stupid tail at the end. I really do thrive in this eyebrow environment more than I did when I had to draw that bit that goes round, because that's the bit that always just didn't look right on each side. Like one was rounded and then one was slightly squared, and it was just a big fat no. Okay, so what I like to do for my lips is I like to take a dark brown. This is like a pound shop. I think it was actually from B&M. You got 4 in a pack. Just gonna line around my whole set of lips. And then I just like to blend out that line that I've made, so then when I put my second colour on, it doesn't look so harsh. And now that my lips are like kind of brown, the top one is like browner than the bottom one. I don't know what this trend is, but I really like it. Yeah, lighter colour on the bottom like so. And then a bit of that colour on the top one, but not as much. Oh yeah, I just used the Flormart Silk Matte Liquid Lipstick here, and I love this stuff, my favourite liquid lipstick ever bought in my life. And then you very, very, very heavily douse this with lip gloss. I'm just using the NYX Professional Makeup, what is this? That's Fire Lip Gloss. Not sure of like the collection name of the gloss, but yeah, it's really pretty. This look is looking fire! The liner. I'm only going to do a little bit of liner because I do have another video to do after this, and I want you to see the lashes. So yes, I'm only going to do a thin line of liner, and I'm going to be using the Code 8 Precision Liner. This liner is amazing. It's one of my top ones now, and that's very strange considering that this is one of the worst types of liner I ever come across, the felt tip ones at the end. I think I've messed this up a little bit. I've done something to it. Okay, so this is just a really simple liner that I'm using. Just because I want you to see what I'm doing later. Usually make it a little bit thicker because I like to stick lashes on a thicker lash line, so I don't have to do much manoeuvring or thinking about it. Then I go in with my mascara, NARS Climax Extreme. This is a little tester I got, and I absolutely love this. I wish that more mascaras would make small ones like this so that I could actually get through a tub of it without throwing it away, because it's been months. So now I'm going to put some lashes on. I'm going to be putting the Cali lashes on, as you can see, by Highlashezzz. Look at this packaging, it looks so good in the camera. I have done a video on this brand. I actually tried on 6 pairs of the Highlashezzz lashes, just to show everybody what they look like with like a video try on, because I saw that nobody'd done one yet. These are the pairs, so if you're interested, just click up there or down there, or it'll probably be in the description more than likely, because I want you to see what these beautiful lashes be looking like. And the reason I'm using the pair Cali is because, in my opinion, they are the most natural out of the collection, and I just love the way they look. They just look gorgeous. So I put the lashes on, I literally just do that. Just to make sure that you can't see nothing. So as you guys may or may not have guessed, this is the final look. Honestly, like, this is one of the best times I've ever done my makeup. Look at me, I look flawless. Like, I'm just very close right now just to show you guys like the true look of my face, because you know how it is in this influencing world. People be straight out here lying to your face. And I got a bit of texture here, but that don't matter because everybody has bloody texture and not everybody perfect, okay? I mean, but yeah, this look is just like so, it looks so pretty right now. Oh my god, guys, I forgot highlighter. No, we can't be forgetting highlighter. For this natural look, I'm actually going to be using the highlighter that comes in the Stationery Carnival palette because it is my all-time fave. I haven't used much of it. I haven't really used much of anything. I literally only just hit pan on that black, as you can see. So yeah, I'm not very good at using eyeshadow when it comes to stuff like this. As you can see, I'm now the baddest bitch in the world. Like, don't even talk to me. Don't call me. Don't come near me. We're done. I'm gonna put a bit up here as well because I want to be glow. I want to be glow. So this is the final look now that we've finally got the highlighter on. Oh my god, I look so blooming good. I look amazing. I look amazing. Look, I'm gonna give you a bit more of a close-up so you guys can see like the true texture of my skin. Like, you know, it is in this influencing business. People like put filters over their little face while they're trying to show how good something is, which makes no sense whatsoever, but they tried their best. They tried their best. I don't really believe anything I see on the internet. Don't hurt yourself. Ow. Sometimes I do like to finish the look off with the Lottie London freckle tint and just put a few freckles on my face, but for today I don't want to do that. And if you want a review on this freckle tint, then just comment it down below because I'll totally do one for you. I will totally do one for you because this freckle tint is my life. I love it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me apply my base and show you guys my newest techniques since I have been learning how to make my base a better person for me. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share with your friends. I don't mind. And if you'd like to see more videos about makeup and stuff, then just comment down below. I haven't done a makeup video in so bloody long. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram name is amberjade.hunter, and I think that's everything. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!